Hey students, this is a video to show you how to embed a web page into your website. Now, this is a little bit of a complicated process. This is the process you're going to have to go through if you want your stop motion to be on your web portfolio. So if you've chosen to do that, I need you to listen very carefully. Remember, you can pause the video at any time, watch it again, and then, of course, come and see me if you need help. So here we go. Complicated process. You can do it. All right. So here I have my stop motion animation. I've made it internet safe by removing my name. And the first thing I'm going to do is go through the process of publishing this basically as a web page, just like we did when we animated it. So I'm going to go File. I have the option right here, Publish to the Web. You guys might have another option here. I think it says Advanced something. I can't remember what yours says, but you're looking for Publish to the Web. And you guys should recognize this. Now, usually we would make our changes right here and we would just provide a link. But for you guys to be able to put this on your web page, we have to actually embed HTML code. So make sure that you click on Embed. And then this medium slide size is fine. Remember, we want to advance our slides at least every second. So change that to every second. Then start slideshow and restart at the end so it keeps playing in a continuous loop. All right, so once you have all of those settings, you're going to click Publish. And instead of getting a link, you're actually going to be given like a paragraph of HTML code. So go ahead and click Publish and say, yes, we want to publish. Okay. And there is your code. Now, don't worry about this right now. I'll explain this a little bit to you when we go and paste this onto your website. The only thing you have to do right now is to copy this. So just do Control C, and then let's go back to our web page. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down my web page here because I want this one to go at the bottom. So I've just clicked at the bottom of my web page. And what we're going to do is click on, make sure you're on the Insert tab, and we're going to click on this Embed icon. Notice that it has the kind of international coding symbol, which are those, you know, greater than, less than signs. So go ahead and click on that. And notice we have two options. We can embed by URL, which means we have a website link that we can paste there. But then all that's we're going to have there is our viewers are going to have to click on that link and it will open for them in a different thing. What I want is I want my stop motion to be playing on my website. So we're going to click right here where it says embed code. And in this open space right here, we are going to paste, that's Control V. All right, so here's where it starts to get a little bit complicated. Do you guys remember when we published our stop motion before? We pasted that link into a browser and we had to change the number at the end. The number was 1000 and we changed it to a lower number so that our slides would move faster. For me, the number that I used was 250. And so you can start with that number 250, or if you remember what number you used before, the speed that worked for your animation the best, you can type that in now. So go ahead and select the number 1000 and then type in the number that worked for your animation. Mine was 250. And then click Next. And then you're going to see this. Don't worry that you only see part of it. I'll show you how to fix that. But you want to make sure if you can see part of your animation that it's actually animating, then that's a good sign. Okay. Then go ahead here and click Insert. All right. Now again, you can see that my frame came in really small. I probably should have chosen large. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to make it bigger by grabbing that handle on the corner. Let me go down. I want to go down until, whoops, excuse that. I'm going to go down until my audience can see these play options down here. Fix that just a little bit. Okay. And that's it, you guys. It should be animating well. If it is not animating at the right speed, you can click Edit here and go back in. You'll have your HTML code again. Find that number, whatever it was. Maybe you want to speed it up or slow it down. Remember, lower numbers go faster, higher numbers go slower. And that's it, you guys. Good luck.